Hello and welcome to the average coder community. In this C-sharp tutorial we are going to talk about inheritance and its operator. Alright, now we're going to talk about inheritance. So let's imagine. Alright, as you may see, I have written some code. So we are going to talk about inheritance, and let me explain what it is and how it works. So, for example, let's imagine a dog. And as you may guess, each dog is animal. So some variables and some methods may be written in animal in general and inherited by dog, because if dog is animal, then if we are talking about in general about animals, then we can talk about tail, weight, like, I don't know, many other things. So yeah, that's why we created class animal. But if we inherit this, then we will be able to access this thing inside of class that is inheriting this class, right? So if we to make dog inherit animal, then you're going to put this character, and after it you're going to write name of the class. If you want more than one class, then you put comma and call another class and another class. So basically, what does it mean? So if we create dog, then now we'll be able to print to use this function in dog. So dog dot set tail true, and console write line dog get tail. So if we print it, if we run it, if we run it again, then we're going to end up with true printed in console. Yeah, as you may see, it's true. So you have to remember that you can't access private variables in another class. So you can only access public fields. So if I try to access tail like this, then it's going to be a mistake. It's going to be a mistake. The mistake, even. Yeah? As you may see. Get tail. Without inheritance, you won't be able to access this function in this class. Right? As you may see, it doesn't contain it because it doesn't inherit it. So again, animal. And one more thing, if this class inherits this class, that doesn't mean that you will be able to access these methods and fields in this class. Alright, so if I create animal And if I try to run it, then that's going to be a mistake. Alright. After this, let's talk about is operator. So what is operator? Basically, it's going to tell you is this object is part of an class. So, for example, console write line, and we try to do something like this: dog is dog, and if we run it, then we're going to end up with true. I will comment it to not confuse you. So yep, if we run it, we're going to end up with only one true. But if you do same thing but with animal, then it's going to return false because animal isn't dog. But if an class inherits another class, then it's going to give us true. So dog class inherits animal class, and that means that an dog object is dog and animal object. So if we run it, we're going to end up with true. Alright? I hope it makes sense. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see ya. Bye.